So as I was saying, Skype number, it was my network, but it's back now. And this is New Zealand. You can buy it from New Zealand, right? You can buy from United Kingdom. You can see the number has changed to UK number plus 44, right? You can buy from Hong Kong, right? If you, let's say your client lives in Hong Kong and you want to be calling with that same number, or you want to be sending an SMS to a client in Hong Kong, Colombia, your number has changed, right? United States, your number has changed. And the juicy thing is that you can even change your area. Okay, I want my number to be United States, but California specifically. Right, number has changed. Okay, I want it to be Colorado. Number has changed. You can change your country, your region within a country before you actually purchase the number, right? You can change your Florida, Illinois, anything, right? So after that, you just continue and say continue to purchase, right? You can pay for, you can have that number for 12 months. That's complete 1 year. You will even have just 21,000, right? You will even have a what's it called, a discount of 50 percent, and you can pay every month if you like. That's just like 3,600. You can see that I pick, what did I pick? I pick United States, Illinois. So let's pick Alabama and see how much we have. So you can see it's also 3,600 monthly. You can, let's change our country and see if the price will change. United Kingdom continue. Pay monthly is, I think everything is just 3,600 for a month. Estonia, let's pick Estonia. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Yeah, Estonia is even cheaper, right? 3,580. Let's see Australia. Australia should be, but Australia too is also 3,008. It's 850, right? You can get your number here and send it to your clients, right? You can use it to call client directly, and they can also call you directly. So once you have it here and your internet is on and you receive a call, you get it like a normal call, but from Skype, and you can pick it and nobody will know that you are even speaking from a Skype or something. You can also use it to send an SMS, right? You can use it to do verification. You will receive an SMS. You can use it on a website. Just you have a website where you are selling and you want to position as if you are, so you can use it on a website as your number. People can call you directly and you will receive call as if you are also the way you receive your call from your Nigerian number. So I think that's it. I hope this helped. Let me know if you have more questions. Thank you. And all in all, you still have to be skilled, right? I've given you everything you need to sell, right? But now what are you going to sell? So that's why you guys have to coordinate. And I still have time to the end of this year to teach you if you are available anyway.